Hello. If you have been making videos and you've not been getting views like you ought to get, this video is for you. And if you have been thinking of quitting YouTube because you're not getting your desired subscribers, your views, and the rest, this video will also address those issues and will give you a way forward. Now, this is what I want to tell you. When you hear the word YouTube algorithm, when they say YouTube algorithm does not like me, YouTube is favoring somebody, does not favor anybody, that is not true. That is not true. In fact, some people will even say YouTube is banding me. There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Everybody has equal chance to grow on the platform. Okay, so there's nobody is trying to restrict anybody. In fact, it's you that can place restriction on your videos by what you do, and maybe there's some test settings you don't know. But today I'm not talking about settings. I'm just talking about some principles that you need to follow and to help your channel grow faster. And what is the principle that YouTube is working with? It's an economic principle, which is supply and demand. Don't worry, I'm going to explain how this works on YouTube. So don't think I'm going to tell you to buy a course from me or buy a product. No, that's not what I'm saying. Now, how this one works is this. YouTube provides what the customer are demanding. Okay, YouTube is like the intermediary between you, the content creator, and the viewers. Let me explain. Before I move further to what I want to tell you about, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are not already a subscriber. If you like this video, YouTube will be able to share it with more people. And if you drop a comment on your thought about this video, it will make the video do well and help other persons. YouTube only supply what the viewers are requesting for. This simply means if you are producing content or uploading content that the viewers are not requesting for, YouTube will not push it to them. YouTube will not recommend your videos to them. And if you're now giving out content that few viewers are interested in, YouTube will push it to the few persons interested in that content. Do you understand what I'm saying? So for you to be able to grow consistently on YouTube, you must be able to produce or dish out content that your viewers are consistently looking for. Now, YouTube is not for you per se. And this is what I mean by that. YouTube is not working for you. YouTube is working for the viewers, because it is the viewers that are giving them the money, or the viewer that will make the money coming. Because when you post a video and the video is going to do well, they know that viewers are interested in that video, they'll be able to put advert on that video. And if anybody happens to click on that advert, allows the advert to play and get a product, you see, they get paid. So those things have to be kept into consideration. Don't just make a video because you know about that subject, or you are interested in that subject, or you like that subject. It doesn't matter what you like. That's what I'm saying. Now, I'm not saying you should not like your niche. You should not like the content you produce. I'm simply saying look for subject within that niche that people want to know about. Do you get what I'm saying? Let me give an instance now. If you are interested in cooking, okay, and you now want to you now say, okay, you want to make a tutorial on how to prepare a local dish, a local Nigeria dish. Do you understand? Like for instance, amala. For instance, amala. See, few persons in the world know what amala is. Very, very few. Maybe West Africa alone. You understand? So you don't expect them to show that kind of video to somebody that's in America, that's in the UK, that does not even know what you're talking about. You understand? So YouTube works for people, not for you. And let me also make this very clear. There's nothing like the YouTube algorithm hates you or likes you. Immediately you upload your video into YouTube, what the AI does is that it reads your content. You understand? Go through your script, goes through your tags, read through your videos. You understand? So it will have known who is requesting for this. And it already has data of persons that have requested for videos like this. You understand? Like the one you are producing now. So that is what will warrant them to dish out your video to people around. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm simply saying, go and do proper research, okay, to know what people are looking for before you shoot your next video. Don't just come up with random ideas and think YouTube is going to force it through the throat of their viewers. No, they're not going to do that. They're not going to do that because they want to keep people on their platform. They want people to enjoy watching, enjoying view and consuming content. So they're not going to give them what they don't like. Unlike other platforms that you just be seeing all manner different content that are not even related. YouTube is not like that. If you like gaming and you keep watching gaming, YouTube will constantly supply videos that has to do with games to you. So whatever you like is what they want to give you so that they can keep you on their platform. If you have stayed with me up to this point, I believe you will have subscribed by now. And if you have not, kindly subscribe to help this channel to grow and like the video. And I'm grateful for that. Let me also know your thought on this issue. Have you been making content that are not related? Have you been making content that your viewers are not looking for? Thank you so much for staying with me to this point, and see you in my next video up here.